Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to find a Bank of America account number on an app or website. Go to bankofamerica.com and log in to your account. You should be taken to your account's overview if you have more than one account. Click on your account and then click the tab marked Information and Services. Next, you should see your account details and a Show Details option. Clicking on this is going to reveal your bank account number. Via your account through the app. Log into your account on the Bank of America app. Like with the website, you should be able to see your account's overview and the Information and Services tab. Click on the account and then the Show Details option. If you are not having any luck, then try tapping on the three dashes, which is the menu option for most sites, and look for an Account Details option. This should lead you to all the accounts you have with them, and if you're able to select one, it would then give you all the options for that account. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.